Okay, this is it. You finally found the solution to your problem. Your problem is building yourself a home so you don't have a mortgage afterwards. Makes your life so much easier without a mortgage. Of course, you may want to consider a small mortgage for materials, which is much better than a full-blown mortgage at today's house prices. The solution, of course, is getting a project done in a proper sequence so that you achieve a wonderful house when you're finished. This website will provide all the resources that you need to start a new project of dry stack block construction. This website homepage will give you a high-view overview of everything you need to know about this new construction method, which has been around for a long time, but it's not used very often. This is mostly due to the unfounded bias of most block layers. They have no experience with this subject, therefore they think that it's not good, when in fact it's much better than normal mortared block laying. This website, book, and videos will fast-track you to achieve what you've always wanted. So let's get started and look around here and find out what you need to know.